Welcome to Open Whispers channel. Welcome to the arena with Chris Digos. Remember, it's been a while. Welcome back to my channel. See something, say something, and most importantly, do something. When the big masquerade overstays in the arena, what happens? The uninitiated will throw sand at it. I believe with Nigerian presidential election 2 weeks away, the big masquerade in the person of Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Atiku Abubakar, in my opinion, they have all overstayed in the arena. And in the person of Peter Gregory Obi lies the hope of a new Nigeria. In their logo, it says Papa, Mama, and Pikin. Will you, a Nigerian youth, rise up to the occasion and take back your country? Look at this. Frustration of Nigerians, the poor man in a filling station, the rising of the cost of fuel, the rising cost of food materials, food items, the redesigning of Nigerians' currency has put nothing but hardship on the ordinary masses of Nigeria. Is there any hope for Nigeria? Peter Obi says, take back your country. Yesterday, the Obi'S rounded off their rally, a mega rally in Lagos. Once again,
our mother is here. The leader is here.
a mega rally in Lagos. Once again, they were attacked. Who attacked these Obi'S? For those of you that don't know, Obi'S are ordinary masses of Nigeria who are asking nothing but the takeover of the ordinary people of Nigeria so that there will be law and order. There will be hope. There will be change of status quo where things have not been working. And in Peter Obi, the ordinary person on the street of Nigeria sees his hope, not just for himself, for a new Nigeria, and for the generations yet unborn. Polls upon polls have predicted that Peter Obi, or not that Peter Obi will win the election, but they predicted, and are still predicting, the hope and rise of the common man of Nigeria. This is why they are attacking Peter Obi. The status quo is fighting back. They say in Nigerian palace that corruption will always fight back. This is what is going on today. This is why, in my opinion, they want to stop Peter Obi and stop the ordinary Nigeria from changing things, from having hope, from being able to de-weaponize poverty, where the elites of Nigeria have weaponized to use, not just to place their knee on the neck of the common man of Nigeria, but to make sure that that knee never leaves the neck. Will the youth of Nigeria live up to expectation and fight the status quo by voting the presidential candidate of the Labour Party and his running mate, Abel Dati? In me, I believe that Peter Obi is on course to change the status quo in Nigeria, to win Nigerians' 2023 general election. Will you be counted? Will I be counted? A man is known not where he stands in times of comfort, but where he stands in times of discomfort. This is Open Whispers. Be well, do good work, and please keep in touch. Get in the comment section and tell me if Nigerian youth will rise up to the occasion and change this trajectory of failure in Nigerian leadership. Until we meet again in the arena, see something, say something, and please do something. Count down 2 weeks. Will there be a new song? Will there be a new sheriff in town? Until we meet again. Cheers.